Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, we're doing another review. I was contacted by a company called CK Auto. They're a company on Amazon, and they sell wheel spacers and all kinds of accessories for your tires. They sent me a set of wheel spacers that are going to go on this 2014 Jeep Wrangler. So if you're thinking about getting some wheel spacers, you might want to stick around and check this video out. All right, guys, let's get into the video. All right, guys, full disclosure, this is a sponsored video by CK Auto, but you guys know me. If it's a piece of shit tool or a piece of crap part for your car, I'm gonna let you know. Probably why a lot of companies don't send me stuff, because I'm open and honest with them. All right, everybody knows when you're putting wheel spacers on a car, the biggest reason is everybody likes the look. It does help with a little bit of performance in the vehicle. To me, it's more about the look. If you look down the side here, these wheels on a Jeep are kind of tucked under. To me, that doesn't look aggressive enough. If you guys are a lot like me, you're pretty much not gonna really care how that sucker's wrapped up. You just want a good quality part in your car. So I'd rather you spend less money on the box and stink that money into making a better part. And this is basic as it gets. This is a cardboard box, which is fine with me. Doesn't need to be all elaborate. All wheel spacers are built basically the same. It's a thick piece of aluminum that's gonna go on your rim to give you a better look and a little bit of performance. So we try to look for other things. Looking at the coating on it, it's got real good coating on it. I don't see any burred edges. The machine work is really nice. I do like the slots right here. So if over time it's stuck on your car, you can get a screwdriver and pry it off. Some of them don't have that, so that's a pretty good feature right there. It's supposed to be made with 6061 metal. It's an aluminum alloy, and it's T6 heat treated, so that's supposed to help with stability. The lug nuts are rated at 12.9. That's plenty tough enough. So I was telling you, it's a 6061 aerospace aluminum alloy, T6 heat treated, all that good stuff. So let's actually see how much heat it can take before it starts to give up. Looking good so far. Tell you what, I'm gonna take it one better. So I wasn't really happy with the way that one was testing out. So I'm gonna upgrade the torch bit a little bit. We're gonna put some serious heat on it now. Let's see if y'all can see that. We're at 245, 300. Billy, hold that steady for me, would you? This temperature gauge here. Direct it right on what I'm doing. Yeah, just like that. 312. I mean, really, technically speaking, it ain't not getting no hotter, is it? It's just now starting to melt off the coating. Look, right here, just a little bit. Slide down a little bit. See right there? I mean, with this torch on here, that coating did not even melt off hardly at all. Normally when I put it on there and I check things like this, the coating just burns off, so I'm really impressed with that. Let's go ahead and get a grinder real quick. Let's put some grinding on it. Let's see how easy this thing cuts. Not bad at all, guys. So, you know, the biggest thing is, let's get this on the car. Let's see how it fits. You want a nice solid fit, and you don't want it to be able to move around at all. All right, let's get it on the car. All right, guys, you see me take tires off a million times, but like I always tell you, if you have to get it up in the air, use caution, be safe, use jack stands. Okay, wheel spacers are real simple to put on. You line up the holes, you put them on, and I always move it a little bit up and down. It's pretty tight. They're gonna supply you with 5 lug nuts. Make sure when you put them on there, you torque them down. This one is right about 90. I'm not torquing these down because this is just a donor car for me to try the wheel spacers out. See, I'm all about the appearance. To me, that's 10 times better. It's more aggressive. I like that look a lot. I do not like the look from the factory. That tire is sunk in. To me, it's just not aggressive enough. So guys, this is a product I would definitely endorse. You saw the test I put it through. I torched it, I cut it. It did really good, especially the finish. I was real impressed with the finish. If you're looking for some wheel spacers, that is the company on Amazon, CK Auto. I'll put a link in the description below to the Amazon page. If you buy something through that link, a small portion helps the channel, and I appreciate that. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. That always helps out the channel. Catch you later.